Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to quickly walk you through how to set up and manage Slack integrations with Google Calendar. First things first, you need to set up the integration. To do this, open Slack, go to Apps, and search for Google Calendar. Install the app and give it the necessary permissions. This step is crucial because it connects your Google Calendar and Slack, enabling them to communicate with each other. Now that we've done that, the next step is to configure the settings. Go back to Slack and go to Apps again, then Google Calendar. Here, you can set up event reminders, select which calendars you want to sync, and more. The reason we do this is to customize the integration to suit your specific needs and preferences. The third step involves managing your notifications. In the same settings area, you can decide how and when you want to be notified about events in your Google Calendar. This helps us because it ensures that you don't miss important events and can respond to schedule changes promptly. Next up, you must learn to create events directly from Slack. To do this, simply type /gcal followed by the event details in any channel or direct message. This feature is important because it allows you to quickly schedule events without having to leave Slack, saving you precious time. Lastly, you can manage your Google Calendar integration by going back to the Apps section in Slack. Here, you can adjust settings, disable notifications, or even remove the integration completely. This is important to know because your needs might change over time, and you should know how to adjust your tools to fit those changes. And there you have it. You now know how to set up and manage Slack integrations with Google Calendar. Remember, the key is to customize the integration to suit your needs, so don't be afraid to explore the settings and try out different configurations. Until next time, happy Slacking!